Barbell squat, bodyweight squat, any type of bilateral two-footed squat starts with the setup and the stance. How do you know if you have the right stance? Now, we can do a bunch of measurements and things like that, but the easiest cue I can give people is when you're squatting down, think about the point when your spine goes into flexion or almost posterior tilt, or that butt wink, as they say. So if I'm squatting down here, down, 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 and I feel this wink right there where I come underneath, that's my lowest point. And if I change my feet by turning them out, so I'm externally rotating the femur, and I can get a little bit lower and that feels better, then fine. That's your squat position there. If your feet are a little bit straighter and the toes just turned out, and then we kind of go into that posterior tilt there, then that's not your position. So find your position, turn the feet out a little bit. Remember, 7 billion plus people in the world. There's probably going to be 7 billion variations on the foot stance, limb length, lever length, all right? So when you find that position, then whatever squat you're going into, whether those feet are turned out and you're a little bit wider and you're coming down and that feels natural, then you can go from there. Think about that bracing posture, so we're not overextending. So you brace, tension stack, think about giving yourself a little bit of cough, and then we're dropping down, driving up. So when we're using the bar, that weight is going to be loaded down. Now I'm going to do this where I'm not facing the mirror. So I'm coming up. So we got a little bit more of a high bar position here. So we're going to come up with the bar. I'm walking out here. Now, my foot stance, I like a little bit wider than shoulder width apart for me, and then I turn the feet out. Now, before you go into that descent, think about squeezing the bar with your hands, give that little cough or just draw your belly button in, take a deep breath in, and then we're gonna descent here, push the hips back. Pause there, drive up out of that hole. You don't wanna come down where you come so low and we're pushing those hips forward, right? And we're going into that posterior tilt. So in, brace, pause, drive up. In, drive up. And that is how you do a squat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joey Thurman. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.